remember that Andrea Constand waited a year from the alleged assault before she tried to bring charges, and the DA all those years ago said there just wasn't any evidence, no bodily fluids or anything. So what do you make of that?
You know, Randy, what's going to happen is this. In many cases where a case has taken so long to come to court, it becomes very problematic. In fact, there's a statute of limitations to begin with because memories go stale, witnesses disappear, people don't have the same recollection as they did have. In this case, I think there's a lot of preserved evidence. Now, in terms of the waiting to report, there are many psychologists and psychiatrists who could testify and do testify in past cases that I've had, both as a prosecutor and a defense attorney, that there are many reasons why a victim may not initially report. A lot related to their shame, a lot relating to, just suppressing the memory that they have of such a traumatic event. So there could very well be expert testimony in the case. So the waiting a year I don't think is going to be that compelling or that detrimental to the prosecutor's case. In terms of the other evidence that has been preserved here, let's remember that there was a major civil suit here, and in light of that civil suit, there have been depositions that are taken which have confirmed what people have said. Cosby has spoken on the record, under oath, swearing to tell the truth in terms of exactly what occurred. The mother of Miss Constand actually has given a statement to the police, has a recollection of the events of her daughter coming back home to Canada, of her daughter changing in terms of how she was, having nightmares, saying, "What's wrong with you?" Then going to the police in Canada conducting an investigation, submitting a report to Philadelphia. They conduct an investigation. So a lot of the evidence and information is there. The question becomes how credible of a witness she'll make and whether or not it's a compelling enough case for the jury to say, you know what, we understand what you're alleging, we believe it, you did it, guilty. That's going to be the issue moving forward, Randy.
And Bakari, no doubt a lot of people, with all the allegations against him, I'm sure a lot of people expected that one day there might be charges, but this is America's favorite dad. I mean, this was who Bill Cosby was. Many of us grew up watching Bill Cosby. It's really a tough turn of events for Cosby fans, isn't it, Bakari?
Well, it is, but I think that you've seen